Happy birthday, Bobo. Happy birthday, Bobo. Mwah. So today is Bowie's 5th birthday. He's doing all of his favorite things, laying in my sweater. He is actually doing the same exact thing right this second as I'm doing this voiceover. So, you can listen to him. Laying on the dishwasher. The heated dry is going, and it just gets warm and comfortable, and he just absolutely loves it. Safe to say, Bowie had a really good birthday. Happy birthday, Bobo. I love you. Oh, and he had a bite of my steak for dinner, too. So he had a great day. See ya.